This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Deep waterfront. Brick ranch home on a quiet cul-de-sac with a 45x18 saltwater swimming pool located just minutes to the beach. Gorgeous oversized bulkheaded point with a dock, concrete boat ramp, and a separate dock to launch kayaks and paddle boards.Open floor plan with eat-in kitchen, separate wet bar, spacious living room and family room, both with fireplaces, formal dining room, 3 bedrooms and a primary suite. Almost an acre lot with a grilling area, fire pit with paved deck, and an outdoor shower. Pool is solar heated and has a double waterfall. 2-car garage. Home sold as is. Where is? Perfectfor a renovation.Rare opportunity to own a large lot just 4 blocks from the beach. For more information, review the details below.